I think sometimes there's a knee-jerk reaction to sometimes just throw AI at every requirement, thinking it's the best way to handle it. All use cases don't require AI. How do you get prepared for AI? Again, it being early on, we have to go back to what we know, and we need a strong foundation. So governance, again, comes into play. Your infrastructure, having your entire infrastructure end-to-end documented, understanding your data flow, understanding the different insertion points for security controls, making sure that not only is it documented, but you do have this baselining of your environment to know what is normal traffic, what type of load that you can expect, having the correct type of equipment and resources in place, especially for AI, because AI is so much more resource intensive than other systems. All of these considerations from a structural perspective, data flow perspective are all critical. And then having your own governance documentation, your own documentation that covers the different policy and standards that your organization will need to follow, and making sure that it is followed. Another key consideration to AI is to recognize that all use cases don't require AI. I think sometimes there's a knee-jerk reaction to sometimes just throw AI at every requirement, thinking it's the best way to handle it. In many cases, that may be so, but not in all cases. It's very important to understand why you are using AI and what the specific requirements are and deliverables are that you're trying to achieve with the technology. Obviously, it's very important to have the right team that understands AI. This is a very specific skill set. You're going to need machine learning engineers. You're going to need data scientists. Having the right staff will allow you to make sure that whatever is developed, your code developers using the proper SDLC as well as specific machine learning software development lifecycle will help to ensure that whatever products that you're using that are AI capable and or AI specific are doing what they're supposed to do and are functioning the way that they're supposed to function. One of the challenges with AI is the fact that sometimes we don't actually know how the AI is generating the results that it produces. They call this black box thinking because we, as the outside watcher, don't understand the mechanics behind the decision-making process in some cases with AI. This can obviously, from the actual system itself, produce potential false positives, and we need to know as the organization whether or not our systems are functioning the way that they should and are doing what they're supposed to do. One of the most critical aspects of AI and how we got to prepare for it is to recognize this is not a set it and forget it technology. AI is always advancing, always changing, always adapting. And with that mindset now, as cybersecurity professionals, we need to ensure that we are also not thinking about our environments as a static place. We are not thinking about our environments in a way that if I have the proper controls today, I have the proper governance today, that tomorrow I'll be fine. Yeah. We have to look at, as professionals in the cybersecurity space, AI being out there, it's continuously looking for weaknesses. It is continuously adapting to our environments, and we have to adapt back on a continual basis to meet that challenge. So please, I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Please comment below, and let's keep this discussion going.